Good morning, student. In maths first, we study about complements of sets in last period and solving some example in practice set 1.3. In this video, we study about operations on sets. Some operations on sets are given. First is intersections of two sets. Means suppose A and B are two sets. The sets of all common elements of set A and set B is called as intersections of set A and B, and which is denoted by this sign, and which is read by A intersect B. Means suppose there are two sets A and B. The sets of all common elements of A and B is called as intersections of set A and B, and which is denoted by this sign and read as A intersection B. Suppose A is equal to, in curly bracket, 1 2 3 5 7 8, and B is equal to, in curly bracket, 2 4 6 8 10. All common elements of A and B are the intersections of set A, which is denoted by this sign. Therefore, we write A is equal to set A intersection set B is equal to, there are common elements is 2 and 8. 2 2, then there is 8. Therefore, we write these two elements are the intersections of two sets. This example is also we can solve by Venn diagram. Suppose this is set A and this is set B. All elements of A we can write 1 2 3 5 7 8. B set is 2 4 6 8 and 10. These two elements are common elements. Therefore, these two elements are the intersections of these two sets. Means, in intersections of two sets, there are the sets of all common elements of A and B is called as intersections of set A and B. This sets is also write as A intersection B is equal to, in curly bracket, X oblique X belongs to A and X belongs to B. This is intersections of set A and B. In second operation, we study about disjoint sets. In disjoint sets, there are two separate sets and there is no common element in these two sets. Therefore, these two sets are called as disjoint sets. These sets are completely different from each other. Therefore, set A and set B are disjoint sets. Therefore, if we write A is equal to in curly bracket 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and B is equal to in curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. In these two sets are completely different from each other. Therefore, these two sets are called as disjoint sets. Means if we draw Venn diagram, this is set A, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and B is another sets 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. In these two sets, their elements are completely different from each other. Therefore, these two sets are called as disjointed sets. याला मराठीमध्ये विभिन्न संच असं म्हणतात. Then another point is union of two sets. Let A and B are two given sets. Then the sets of all elements of set A and set B is called as union of two sets, which is written as this sign. Means all elements of set A and B are the sets of union of two sets. Suppose this is A sets, there are some elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B sets suppose in B sets there are some elements 3, 5, 7, 8 and 9. Then we write A union B is equal to all elements of A and B are the sets of union of two sets, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These two sets A and B, there are two common elements, but all elements of A and B are called as union of two sets. Then we study about number of elements in a sets. Number of elements in sets are the another points. Number of elements in a sets. number of elements in sets. Suppose there are two sets. A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 5 7 and 8. In these sets there are 3 and 3 6 elements are given. Therefore we write n of A is equal to 6 because there are 6 elements, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. And B, we write number of element in B is equal to n of B. There are 1 2 3 4 and 5. Means number of elements in set A is denoted by n of A. Number of element in B is denoted by n of B. Number of elements in union and intersections of sets. Number of elements in intersection and union of sets. This is another ones. Number of elements in union and intersections of sets. Suppose there are 6 elements in A and 5 elements in set B. Therefore we write n of A plus n of B is equal to 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. This is first. And we write the intersections of set A and B. A intersection of B, there are 2 elements, these 2 and these 2 we write 2 and 8. Therefore we write n of A intersection B is equal to 2 and A union B, all elements of A and B we write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 10. N of A union B is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Therefore we write from 1 2 3 we get n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. या दोघांच्या बेरजेतून हे जर वजा केलं तर n of A union B मिळतं. Therefore this is formula of number of elements in intersections of union, number of elements in intersections and the unions of two sets. Then we study about word problems and practice set 1.4. In practice set 1.4 there is one example is given. 1.4, the example is if n of A, n of A is equal to 15, n of A union B is equal to 29, n of A union B, A intersection B is given 7. Then find n of B is equal to question mark. In this example, we give the value of n of A is 15, n of A union B is 29, n of A intersection B is 7. Then find the value of n of B. For this example, we use this formula. In this formula, there is a relation between the number of elements in intersections and union of these two sets. First, we write the formula. This formula is n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Put the given values of this. A union B is given 29, n of A is given 15, plus n of B is unknown, and minus n of A intersection B is 7. Therefore, we write 29 is equal to 8 plus n of B. Therefore, n of B is equal to 29 minus 8. N of B is equal to 21. A union B is given 29. N of A is 15. N of B is unknown. And n of A intersection B is given 7. 50 minus 7 is 8, and this is 29. N of B is equal to 29 minus 8. N of B is equal to 21. Solve another example of practice set 1.4 and problem set 1. Thank you.